So, we're gonna vlog.
Granny. Ang haloy-haloy mo man, Granny, te. Matigdi ka ba?
Sige, let's open the door. God.
Ay, wala pala.
Hi, te!
Hi, te! Granny, I'm your grandchild. Why
Te.
will you hurt me?
Te! Bakla!
Bakla! Oh my god, slay.
Bakla!
Why are you
You just-
even kalbo, Granny? You should make your hair longer because you're so kalbo.
Ante! Nangyari
Alam-
sa akin. May dugo-dugo na tayo, babes.
Yes, we're so bad
Granny
at this
naman
game.
mamamatay ako sa'yo eh.
Granny, I'm your grandchild. Mapahulog ka. Granny naman. Bestie, nasaan ka na, bestie?
Ay, mapalamagda kita kay Granny.
Bestie! Where are you, bestie? Bestie, saan ka na, te? Bestie. Uy, nahulog. Uy, bestie. Where? Bestie. I'm not scared. You look so hideous with that dress. You should make it pink.
Katakot.
Make it pink. Oh my God, wait.